Hi there, welcome to Applecode Development, and this is Balaji. I am so happy to continue the tutorial in shift coding. This is lesson 2, Basic Operators, part 1. The operators are special characters that are used to check, combine and change values to the property. In part 1, we will cover the below listed basic operators. The first topic is terminology. Here we will see the connection between a target and an operator. Based on the number of targets involved in an operation, we can split it into 3 parts: unary, binary and ternary. The second topic is assignment operator. How will you assign a value to a property? Like let a equal to 10. Here the equal to is the assignment operator. Yes, it is assigning the value 10 to property A. The third topic is arithmetic operator. Here we will cover basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The fourth topic is compound assignment operator. It is a combination of assignment operators with other operators. The fifth topic is comparison operator. Here we will cover the basic comparisons between the targets like equal, not equal, less than, greater than and etc. In part 2 we will cover ternary condition operator, nil collision operator, range operator and logical operator. We will see these all topics in very detailed manner, so don't skip the video until the end. Okay, let's start. The first topic is terminology. Based on the number of targets involved in an operation, we can split it into 3 parts. Unary operator. It operates on a single target and the operator can be before or after a target. So based on that, a unary prefix operator and a unary postfix operator. The next, binary operator, which operates on 2 targets. So we can guess it. The operator will be between the targets only, which is known as infix operator. The next is ternary operator. It operates on 3 targets. Like in C, we will have a ternary operator in shift. Here we will have operators in between the targets like this. If the condition is true, we will have answer 1 or else answer 2. So these are about the terminology. The second topic is assignment operator. It is used to assign a value to a property like a equal to 10. Here what's happening is that we are assigning value 10 to the property A. If we want to change the value to 20, we need to declare the property as a variable. Now we can change the value like a equal to 20. If you want to assign the values to the tuple, which are multiple values, same like this, let tuple 1, tuple 2 equal to 10, 20 within a bracket. This is how tuple assignment we have to do. Regarding the tuple, I have added a detailed video in Shift Notes playlist. Please check it, link in the description. This is about assignment operator. The third topic is arithmetic operators. Swift supports the standard arithmetic operators for all number types. Let's take an example of let value 1 equal to 20, let value 2 equal to 10. Now we will see them one by one. Addition. Let additional value equal to value 1 plus value 2. So the result will be in additional value. The value 30 will store in additional value. Here the addition operator is adding the numbers like 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Print the additional value. If the property has string values, then how it will react? Let value 1 string equal to 20. Let value 2 string equal to 10. The string should be in double quotes only. Let additional value string equal to value 1 string plus value 2 string. Print additional value string. Click the run button. See, it appends both values like 20, 10. Regarding the string append, we will discuss in the upcoming lessons. Now back to the operators. Subtraction. Let subtraction value equal to value 1 minus value 2. Here the minus operator is doing subtraction value 1 with value 2, and the result 10 will be in the subtraction value. Print the subtraction value and click the run button. If we need the reverse subtraction, then negative subtraction value equal to value 2 minus value 1. So the result minus 10 will be in negative subtraction value. Print the value. The next is multiplication. In this, let multiplication value equal to value 1 into value 2. Here the star symbol will do the multiplication of both values, and the result 200 will be stored in the multiplication value. Print the value. The next is division. In this, let division value equal to value 1 slash value 2. Here the slash will do the division and quotient 2 will be stored in the division value. Print the value. The next is remainder operator. In division, it will return the quotient, but here it will return the remainder. Let remainder value equal to value 1 percentage value 2. Here the percentage symbol will divide and will return the remainder 0 to remainder value. Let's change the value and value to 22. Now do the same. Now you will have 2 as a remainder in remainder value. The last is unary minus and unary plus operator. We can use this. Let unary minus value equal to minus 10 for unary minus operator, and unary plus value equal to plus 5 for unary plus operator. It is same as let unary plus value equal to 5. This is about arithmetic operators. The fourth topic is compound assignment operators. It is the combination of assignment operator with another operator, like where sum equal to 100 and sum plus equal to value 1, which means sum equal to sum plus value 1. So 100 plus 22, the result 122 will be stored in sum. Same like sum minus equal to value 1 will return sum equal to sum minus value 1, which means 122 minus 22 equal to 100. This sum star equal to value 1 will return sum equal to sum star value 1, which means 100 into 22 equal to 2200. The sum slash equal to value 1 will return sum equal to sum slash value 1, which means 2200 divided by 22 equal to 100. This is how the compound operators are working. The fifth topic is comparison operators. It is used to compare two properties. Equal to comparison operator will be used to like value 1 double equal to value 2. Here the double equal to will does the check that both values in value 1 and value 2 are the same. If it is the same, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is false because 22 it is not equal to 10. Same like not equal to comparison operator will be used to be like value 1 not equal to value 2. Here the not equal to will do the check for both values are not same. If it is not same, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is true because 22 is not equal to 10. The next is greater than comparison operator. It is used to be like value 1 left side open parenthesis value 2. Here the parenthesis will do the check value 1 is greater than value 2. If it is greater than, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is true because 22 is greater than 10. Same like less than comparison operator. It used to be like value 1 right side open parenthesis value 2. Here the parenthesis will do the check value 1 is less than value 2. If it is less than, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is false because 22 is not less than 10. The next is greater than or equal to comparison operator. It is used to be like value 1 greater than or equal to value 2. Here the left side open parenthesis and equal to will do the check value 1 is greater than or equal to the value 2. If it is satisfied any one condition either greater than or equal to, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is true because 22 is greater than 10 and 22 is not equal to 10. So as per the rule here, it should satisfy minimum one condition. So it is true. The last is less than or equal to comparison operator. It is used to be like value 1 less than or equal to value 2. Here the right side open parenthesis and equal to will do the check value 1 is less than or equal to value 2. If it is satisfy any one condition either less than or equal to, it will return true or else false. In our case, it is false because 22 is not less than 10 and 22 is not equal to 10. As per rule here, at least one condition needs to be succeed. Here both are failed, so it is false. Same as we can do the comparison operators for tuple also. This is all about comparison operators. Let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen terminology, assignment operator, arithmetic operator, compound assignment operator, and comparison operator. This is all about part 1 basics operators in Swift. Please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.